Have you ever thought about how it would feel to produce electricity, not from a power plant but from your own body? Now that's a charged question, isn't it? Well, for a select group of creatures, it's their everyday reality. This phenomenon is known as bioelectrogenesis, and it's as electrifying as it sounds. These creatures, like the electric eel, the electric ray, and the electric catfish, hold the fascinating ability to generate their own electricity. Each one, a living, breathing, swimming powerhouse, illuminating the murky depths of their watery worlds. Their lives are a spectacle of sparks and shocks, a testament to nature's boundless creativity. They use this remarkable ability for various purposes, from hunting down a hearty meal to communicating with their kind. In the grand theater of life, they are the shock troops, armed with the power of electricity. Imagine being able to stun your prey or communicate with your peers using electric shocks. Fascinating, isn't it? Meet the electric eel, a creature that can generate shocks of up to 600 volts. This fascinating creature, a native of the Amazon and Orinoco rivers in South America, truly lives a shocking life. The electric eel isn't really an eel at all. It's a knife fish, a type of freshwater fish that can grow up to 8 feet long and weigh as much as 44 pounds. With a head-to-tail arrangement of specialized cells called electrocytes, the electric eel is essentially a living battery. When threatened or hunting, these cells discharge simultaneously, producing a powerful electric shock. Electric eels are voracious predators. Their diet consists primarily of other fish, but they've been known to consume amphibians, birds, and even small mammals. But how does an electric eel catch its prey? That's where their shocking abilities really come into play. They emit low-voltage pulses that allow them to locate their prey. Once they found their target, they switch to high-voltage mode, stunning their prey into submission. But the electric eel's abilities aren't just for hunting. They also use their electric powers for navigation. In the murky waters of their habitat, visibility can be quite low. By emitting a continuous stream of low-voltage pulses, they create an electric field around their bodies. Any object entering this field distorts the electric signal, alerting the eel to its presence and location. Communication is another fascinating aspect of the electric eel's life. These creatures use electric signals to interact with others of their kind. They emit specific electric patterns to express aggression, submission, or to attract mates. It's a form of communication that we're only just beginning to understand. So an electric eel's life is not just about swimming around, it's a shock-filled adventure. From hunting to navigation to communication, their electric abilities are a remarkable adaptation that allows them to thrive in their environment. The electric eel truly is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Now let's dive into the world of the electric catfish, a creature that shocks, quite literally. The electric catfish is a true marvel of nature, an aquatic wonder that wields the power of electricity. This remarkable creature calls the fresh waters of Africa home, from the Nile River to the basins of Chad and Niger. These waters provide the perfect backdrop for our electrifying friend's fascinating lifestyle. Primarily nocturnal, the electric catfish is an opportunistic predator, and its diet is as eclectic as its abilities. It feasts on fish, crustaceans, and even small terrestrial animals that dare to venture too close to the water's edge. But how does it catch its prey, you ask? That's where the electric catfish's unique ability comes into play. This creature has specialized electric organs, made up of modified muscle or nerve cells known as electrocytes. These cells generate electricity, and when the catfish is hunting, it discharges a powerful shock, stunning its prey. Imagine having the power of a living taser at your disposal. But that's not all. The electric catfish also uses this shocking ability for protection. Any predator thinking of making a meal of this fish is in for a hair-raising surprise. A single jolt from the electric catfish is enough to deter most threats. It's an effective way of saying, "Back off, I'm not your dinner." The electric catfish also uses electric signals for communication. By varying the strength and frequency of their electric discharges, they can send different messages to their fellow catfish. It's like they have their own Morse code, a secret language that only they can understand. Nature has a way of coming up with the most ingenious solutions for survival, and the electric catfish is a testament to this. It's a creature that has harnessed the power of electricity, not just for hunting and protection, but also for communication. It's a fascinating example of evolution at its best, a spark in the water that illuminates the wonders of the natural world. Being an electric catfish is all about using your shocking abilities to survive in the wild. Lastly, let's plunge into the ocean to meet the electric ray, a creature with a pulse that really packs a punch. The electric ray, a true marvel of the marine world, makes its home in the depths of the ocean. Its diet is a banquet of small fish and invertebrates, all of which stand little chance against the ray's electrifying hunting technique. Now, how does this creature produce electricity? Well, it's all thanks to special organs known as electric organs. These are packed with electrocytes, cells that act like tiny batteries. When the ray decides to unleash its voltage, these cells fire all at once, creating a shock that can stun or kill its prey. But it isn't all about hunting. The electric ray also uses its shocking ability for defense. When threatened, it can release a jolt so powerful it can dissuade even the most determined predator. Living as an electric ray is a jolt-filled journey in the vast ocean. So, we've taken a jolting journey through the lives of some truly electrifying creatures. We've discovered the shocking life of the electric eel, an animal capable of generating a staggering 600 volts, more than enough to light up your entire house. This creature uses its electric abilities not only to stun its prey, but also as a sophisticated radar to navigate its murky habitat. Then we plunged into the world of the electric catfish, a creature that uses its electric field to communicate, to hunt, and even to defend itself. It's a world where every pulse is a message, every shock a weapon or a shield. Through our journey, we've seen that these creatures are not just mindlessly shocking their environment. They're tacticians, communicators, and navigators in their own electric world. In the electric world of these animals, every day is a shocking adventure. Isn't nature truly electrifying?